Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another fitness motivation video. In this video, I'll be doing a collaboration. Hopefully it's not echoing too much. In this video, I'll be doing a collaboration with the beautiful, amazing Tejal, my good friend over by Simple BT's fam. But don't worry, you'll get to know exactly who Tejal is, because you, my friends, will be going over to Tejal's channel and tell her that Melissa sent you, share all the love, and subscribe to Tejal's channel. So in this video, we'll be doing our workout favorites, seeing that we're a workout buddy. We're workout cyber buddies. Tejal and I actually really became connected when she posted on one of her family vlogs that she wanted to do a 30 days ab challenge, and I took on the challenge, and she and I stayed connected during her 30-day ab challenge, which was so amazing. I got my result during my 30-day ab challenge, and I continue working out and continue getting my results. And Tejal works out the very same. She works out every day. She's a hard-working mom, and she stays on her A game with her workouts. So, without further ado and no more chit-chatting, go over to Tejal, share all the love, subscribe to her channel, and tell her Melissa sent you. So we'll be doing the workout favorite collaboration. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you just a few items that is my absolute workout favorites that I must use every single day when I work out. So first thing first, this bad boy that I'm sitting on, that you're looking at behind me, which is my treadmill. I have to use my treadmill every single day, because as you guys know, I'm a stay-at-home mom and I don't get the time to go out and run or go to the gym. So I stay home with my baby and I run on my treadmill every single day. So my treadmill is my absolute favorite. My second favorite is my medicine ball. This is my absolute favorite. I use my medicine ball every single day, and this medicine ball is actually 5 kg and it gets the job done. It gets my ab firm. I use it every single day. It's just simply amazing. You have to get a medicine ball. Get one that you can manage. Get one that you can use, because they come in different weights. So medicine ball is my absolute favorite. This is my other absolute favorite. This is the ab wheel. The ab wheel. When I first bought the ab wheel, it was the hardest thing to use, I must admit. The ab wheel was very hard to use, but with consistency, I gradually get to love the ab wheel, and I use this ab wheel every single morning, which is actually getting these guns really nice. So the ab wheel is another one of my favorite. This band. This is the Sweet Sweat waist trimmer, and actually Tejal, my good friend, which I'm doing the collaboration with, actually suggested she actually recommended this Sweet Sweat waistband for me, and I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I guarantee you it is worth buying. It is worth purchasing. It makes you sweat so good, and for now it is actually getting the job done. And the Sweet Sweat waistband works hand in hand with the Sweet Sweat cream, which I found out about the Sweet Sweat cream from another good friend of mine here on YouTube, Ash Point. So I got one recommended from one good friend and another one from a good friend, but they work hand in hand and they are simply amazing. I recommend these to anybody who is looking for a good sweat. These are my absolute favorite these days. Another one of my favorite, which I must have every single morning, is my headphone. I cannot work out with my headphone. As a vlogger, I really look up to so much other YouTubers, and I don't get to spend a lot of time watching vlogs because I have so much things doing throughout my days. So when I'm working out, that's when I get to catch up on most of my vlogs. That's what I use as one of my motivation because I enjoy watching vlogs. So what I do while I'm running on the treadmill is keep my headphone in, watch vlogs, catch up on vlogs, or if I'm not watching vlogs, I'm listening to music. And when you do that, you realize that the time goes by, you're burning calories, and you don't even realize that you're really running because you're into what you're listening. So my headphone is my absolute favorite. My water bottle is my absolute favorite. I cannot do without my water because I get dehydrated easily, so I have to sip on my water while I am doing my cardio. And my face cloth is my absolute favorite. If you know me when I'm working out, I sweat like a pork. Yes, I just said that. I sweat like a pork. I have to have my face rag. I have a bunch of these rags that I bought in stock because I have to use at least 2 of them each morning, sometimes 1, most times 2, because I sweat so much. So my face rag is my absolute favorite. I have to have this when I'm working out. My next workout favorite is of course my workout mat. I cannot do without my workout mat to do my stretches after I run, to do my abs after I run, and my workout mat goes hand in hand with my workout towel because I hate to feel my skin against the workout mat. It feels so icky and gooey, and because I sweat so much, I definitely have to spread my towel over my mat, and this goes hand in hand. So these are my absolute favorite, which I use every single day. My last but not least workout favorite is my skipping rope. Most times when I'm lifting my dumbbells, I would do it when I don't do cardio. So if I do my cardio in the morning, if I run on my treadmill in the morning, I would just do abs straight after, and then I'll do some lifting in another session. So what I would normally do, I would skip before I lift just to get my muscles warm, not to get hurt. And this skipping rope, it is so strong and it is so good. It's my absolute baby. I love my skipping rope. And that's it for my workout favorites, you guys. Hopefully you guys will love this video and get something from it. Enjoy, and go over to Tasia at Simply BTS Fam. Her link will be down below in the description box. So go ahead and subscribe to her channel and watch her edition of workout favorites, and show her all the love that you guys show me. I love you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.